Namhlanje ozamazama abaphumile baphume nencwadi ecela ukuthi bahlinzekwe ngezinto zokugeza, insipho yokuwasha kanye nongcamnce.
Re kopa sesepa se hlapang le se hlatswang le roll on re kopa re kgone go hlapa le tomato sauce le mayonnaise le seshabo se fedile.
Lokhu kudla kuyaye kuthunyelwe izinhlangano ezihlukene namalungu omphakathi. Emva kwencwadi ebhalwe ozamazama namhlanje, umphakathi uthi angeke udansele isiginci sabo.
We are not here to come and serve people with mayonnaise, with tomato sauce. We are not here for that. You see, per their request, for us is not something that we are going to entertain.
Inhlangano yomphakathi iSANCO ithi ilindele ukuthi lenyuke inani lezidumbu zozamazama kulomgodi ngenxa yokugqoza kohlelo lokutakula.
Mechanism that is used in extracting those bodies, it's a rope. So we are expecting to see more dead bodies.
Ziyaqina-ke izinsolo zokuthi ozamazama baqhinqile emathunjini omhlaba hayi ngoba bevalelekile. Amalungu omphakathi athi azosiza labo abafuna usizo.
If they want to remain there, they want to stay there, they can stay there. We don't have a problem. But we are just extending our hand of help to them.
Akukacacike ukuthi uhlelo lokutakula luzophothulwa nini.